Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and QI Macros. I was at the American Society for Quality's Lean Six Sigma conference down in Phoenix a few weeks ago, and one guy said, aren't you the guy that wrote Six Sigma Golf? I said, yeah, because I made that book a long time ago, right? Nobody brought it up for a long time. But I said, yeah, I was reading Dave Pell's Putting and Short Game Bible, and I said, oh, that's Six Sigma for golf. If you want a detailed way of looking at golf, then go read his, but you can also download my free pamphlet that I created some years ago. But it's funny, there was one guy who came up to a conference it was some time ago. It's been a while. But anyway, he came up and he said, well, I thought that, what you put in that book was BS, and so I decided to go check it out. And he said, I cut 10 strokes off my score. I had to laugh about that. I have not cut 10 strokes off my score, but I'm better than I was, all right? But I want you to get this idea that we can take Six Sigma and we can apply it to golf, any sport, anything, any activity, any business, anything, anywhere. It can be done. That's my improvement insight. Let's go out and improve something this week. Let's use the tools of quality everywhere, even to improve our golf game. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.